Okay guys, this is the recording for Wednesday the 15th of January, and as I was just saying, I've got some deliveries coming in a second with some new TVs, so I do need to shoot off the mic. So what I'm looking at, obviously on the daily, we spoke about it yesterday, we've had the three wicks down, 1, 2, 3. We have come out of balance, and we have created a nice retracement. I was long yesterday on 2 occasions with pretty much zero drawdown on both of them. We came back into our break and retest of our highs, which is at 812s area, call it 810s. And we have skyrocketed up from that level. What I would like to see, I'm probably not going to do a great deal today just based on 2 things. One, I've already traded on the overnight session. But 2, even if I hadn't traded on the overnight session, there's only 2 things I really want to see. In fact, kind of just one thing I really want to see. I really do not want to do anything on the short side. And I really don't want to do anything on the long side unless we get back above 277s and hold this as support. I'm just going to wait, hopefully, for that level to form as support. I do have a high to high down here at 190s, which would be losing this 4-minute candle at 8:32. But to keep this really short and sweet, I'm just going to sit on the sidelines until I see multiple tests of, call it 280s as support. If we can't hold this, I'm just going to expect this to sell and basically fade most of this move right back down into that 21 area. And I'm not going to play the shorts unless I really see a sweet setup. I would rather just let it do its thing as opposed to try and catch the move. May sound strange to some, but I would rather just, if I'm looking for the longs, it's sometimes easier for me just to not trade the shorts, even though I can see them. I'd rather just wait for the long to set up. And if it doesn't set up, then I don't trade it. If I do see something that does look really good on the short, I mean, you could argue right now we are trading, the start of the move, right? This halfway back. And that completion does take us into the long initiation. But I really want to see us back above 280s, and this needs to hold. Right now, it tried to hold and failed. Like, if we can get back above, get back below, back above, and we can really chop out some traders around this zone, and then finally get that sort of like exhaustion trade, nice easy move, break overnight highs, and take us back probably into like 21,400. That's what I'm going to be looking at. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be looking at. So I'm going to jump off the audio. I will upload this video, keep it nice and short and sweet. Essentially, I'm bullish above with good structure at 270s to 280s, and I'm pretty much sit on hands neutral below that point.